Have you ever heard of something called synthetic torpor? It's a terrifying state where a person might appear to be completely gone, but they're not. Their body is in a state of deep metabolic depression. Think of it like this: the power plants in their cells, the mitochondria, have been switched off. Their heartbeat slows down so much that you can't feel a pulse the normal way, and even heart monitors might not detect it. It can look just like a flat line. Their internal thermostat shuts down, making their body cold and pale, but their spirit is still connected. Their brain frequencies are scrambled, making it impossible for them to wake up on their own. This synthetic torpor makes them look dead, but they are actually alive. So, what's happening? First, the battery is low. The drug turns off the power plants in their cells. Second, the heart slows dramatically, a condition called bradycardia, so a normal finger press or a watch won't pick it up. Third, their internal thermostat, the hypothalamus, is switched off, so they feel cold and can look pale or even blue. But here's what you can do. There are 4 steps to save them. Step 1. The warm-up. The goal here is to restart the body's thermostat and stop the chill. Wrap them in the thickest blankets you can find. Use your own body heat, hug them, hold their hands tightly. If they get too cold, this deep sleep can become permanent. You have to keep them warm so the brain can function normally and reset itself. Step 2. The sound. The goal is to use entrainment to jumpstart the brain. Put headphones on them or place speakers right next to their ears. Play something like fire prayer or loud, rhythmic worship music. This is called entrainment. It's like when 2 clocks on a wall start ticking in sync. The brain hears the rhythm and tries to match it, waking itself up from the inside. Step 3. The wake-up call. The goal is to stimulate the nerves to help restart the heart. Use anointing oil and rub it firmly into the soles of their feet and the palms of their hands. This can stimulate the vagus nerve, which can signal the heart to beat faster. While you do this, talk to them. Call them by their name. Say, "Wake up. Your story isn't over. God has plans for you." Step 4. The gatekeeper. You must guard the door and keep the morgue away. If a hospital or authorities try to take the body, you have to stand firm. Say, "Stop. We are in a 12-hour vigil. This is our religious right. Do not touch this body and do not inject any chemicals. If you can, put up a do not disturb sign." Once they are put in a cold morgue or given embalming fluid, they cannot wake up. You are the protector, the watchman in this critical window of time. Remember these steps, they can make all the difference. Thanks for watching, and please share this vital information.